Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2021 Toyota Corolla hatchback and I'm going to be showing you how to activate the child locks on the doors. Now, like any modern day car that has 4 doors, there is a way to set a child lock on the rear doors. So I'll just show you how to do that. It's nice and easy. What we're going to do is have the car unlocked and open up the rear door fully. Look down by the lock here and you'll actually see a padlock with a child in it and then this switch below. So at the moment the child lock is not on. As soon as I flick that down, this will inhibit this door lock. So by pulling that lever, it doesn't actually do anything now. However, you still can open up the door from the outside handle. And just to return it back to normal, you're just going to flick that up. And you'll actually notice that this lever is re-engaged and you can now use it from the front or the back. So there we go, that's how easy it is to operate the door locks on a 2021 Toyota Corolla. If you found this video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.